Welcome to Greater Atlanta Hearing. My name is Brian Jones and I'm an audiologist. I've been happily practicing audiology now for 20 years. In that time, I've learned a lot. I've learned one thing. Optimal patient care married to technology that suits their needs gives us the best results with our patients. As an independent office, we have access to all the major lines of hearing aid products out there. And in my past, I was a manufacturer's hearing aid rep, which gave me a very deep understanding of how this technology really works. One of the things we're excited to tell you is that we have many other parts of our business to help you. We offer hearing aid repairs, we offer earwax removal and cleaning, and we give you free second opinions to see if you're getting the best results with your current technology. Please give us a call if you'd like to learn more or have any type of need for a new audiologist. We greatly appreciate you checking out our business. Thank you so much.